Hey everyone, in this video we are going to look at how to create a form that has three cascading combo boxes. In this example, we are going to use state, city, and then postal code. So what will happen is the top combo box will have a selection of states. You choose which one you want. Then the second combo box will only have cities based upon the state that you chose. And then the third combo box will only have the postal codes for the corresponding city you chose. And just so you know, even though I'm using this for state, city, and postal code, you can use this for any kind of situation where you have this three deep relationship. So first off, to make this work, you need a table for each combo box. So if you look at the state table, you'll see it's just a listing of the states, and each state is only listed once. It is not dependent upon any other choice. If you open up the city, however, you'll see that states are listed multiple times because there are multiple cities within any given state. And then you'll see a similar relationship for the postal code, where you can see that a city is listed multiple times because there are multiple postal codes within that city. So let's go ahead and create the form. We'll click on Create, Blank Form. As typical, I'm going to shut off the selectors, even though it's not really relevant to this lesson, because I do think it's a good habit to get into. So View, Design View, Design, Property Sheet, Format, and we're going to shut off Record Selector and Navigation button. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add the three combo boxes. So we're going to take this combo box and draw it out, and we'll just cancel. Now you can either copy this combo box or you can just draw it out two more times. Your choice, really no difference. If you copy it, what happens is it'll make sure that these are all the same size if that matters to you. For this particular demo, doesn't really matter. Okay. So we drew out the combo box and we canceled the wizard that opened up. So for the top combo box, all we want it to do is look at the values from the state table. So with that combo box selected, we go to Data, Row Source, drop down arrow, and we'll choose State. Now let's go ahead and save that just so we can see that that's working. We'll just leave it as Form 1, View, drop down, and there are the states. We'll go back to View and Design View. So now let's click on Combo 2, and we have to say what the row source is, just like we did for Combo 0, but this time we can't just say it's a table because we need to have the criteria of the value that's in this combo box. So what we do is for row source, we click on the ellipsis and it will automatically open up a query design window. So we want the state and the city tables. We'll close that. A join was automatically created between the common field. We want to bring down city name, and we want to bring state abbreviation down. We do want the city name to show, but we don't want the state abbreviation to show. The state is already listed in the combo box 0, the combo box above it. But we are going to use this to set the criteria. So for criteria, we choose Build, Database, Form, so we're just navigating through the objects, all forms, Form 1, and we said it's Combo 0 and use the value. So take the value that's in Combo 0 and use that to select the corresponding records from the city table. You can even see Table City. Click OK. So that gives us our data source. Save this. The only problem is every time you make a change here, this doesn't requery. It runs that query just once. So what we're going to do, we are going to tell this to requery based on a certain event. So you make a selection up here, and then you click on this or you tab down. When this is selected, it's called the focus. So that has the focus, that has the focus, that has the focus. Okay? So when an object has a focus, in this case, when combo 2 has the focus, we want an event to happen. So we're going to click on Event. So on gut focus, and we're going to click on the ellipsis. We're going to choose Code Builder, and here we're simply going to type me dot combo2 dot requery. We'll save that. We'll close that. So now you'll see it's not quite right, which I'll show you how to fix in just a second. So we'll save the form. We'll view. So say we choose Mass. There's the cities in Mass. Say I select one. And then I choose California. What happened? Boston is still there. Unless you put in some additional controls, you technically could still have a mismatch, which defeats the purpose of what you're trying to do. So the right choices are there, but it's still selected. So we want to clear that out. So we'll go back to Design View, and what we'll do is as soon as you change the value here, we'll blank this out. Sorry, I was going to say requery. We'll blank it out. So with this combo box selected, for event, we'll do on change. So if you change the value, then we want something to happen. We'll again go to Code Builder, and what we'll do, we'll again reference me.combobox2, but this time we'll say its value equals just 2 quotes with nothing in between. So you're blanking it out. We'll save that, close that, save the form, run it again. So what we'll do now is say we choose New Jersey. See, it sets it to blank. You can no longer have that mismatch. And then you choose Atlantic City. Choose California, blanks it out, California. Actually, let's choose one. Go to Massachusetts, blanks it out. There's the Massachusetts one. So all that remains is basically doing the same type of functionality to Combo 4 that we did to Combo 2. Couple tweaks, but the same basic process. So Combo 4 also needs to have a record source, a row source, that has a criteria attached to it. But rather than Combo 0, it will be Combo 2. So for the Data tab, for row source, we click on the ellipsis. This time it's city and postal code. Did not create a join this time, so you just left click, drag and drop, and there's your join. So for the postal code, we want the postal code to be displayed. We're going to break down city name, same situation. We don't want the city to be displayed. It's already displayed in the previous combo box. We just want to use this for the criteria. So right click, build, database, form, all form, form 1, and this time it's the combo 2 value. Close, save. Same thing, needs to requery. So event, on gut focus, code builder, and this time it will be me dot combo 4 dot requery. And I think we can just go ahead and copy this to, actually let's have combo 0 reset both of them, because if you've reset the city, then you should reset the zip as well. I was going to bring it down here, but again, since everything is dependent upon the state, then it would make sense for both combo boxes, 2 and 4, to both be reset once you've made a change in 0. And if I haven't missed anything, that should do it for this tutorial. Let's just run this now. So we click on View. We'll choose, say, New Jersey. There's Atlantic City. And there's the 3 zip codes for Atlantic City. Let's change this to Massachusetts. They both clear out. Let's choose Mansfield. And there's only 1 zip for Mansfield. And did we do anything else? Did we do California, San Diego, and the zip code for San Diego? So there you go. There is a 3-deep cascading combo box sequence, and you could just keep rinsing and repeating if you want to go down 4 or 5, as many as you want. Perhaps this could be used for troubleshooting. So rather than city, state, and zip code, postal code, it could be something like, what is the top level problem? What is the more specific problem? And then the exact problem, that kind of thing. So like a categorization of, say, a trouble ticket of a case management system. So anyways, I hope that you found this helpful, and please enjoy the rest of your day. And if you have any other requests, please put them in the comments. I'll do my best to try to do them.